pleasure being around with you once again. My name is Godwin Abiodun Yefeso, member U.S. African Trade Council in Atlanta, a board member of the council, and also former vice chairman, export group of the Lagos Chamber of Commerce and Industry, also a member of Nigerian American Chamber of Commerce and Industry, and presently now the CEO, Success Edge International. You are welcome. You are welcome to our export television, where we teach you what to export, where to export, when to export, and how to make money in export business. Okay, and that's what we do on export business and export demystified with Godwin Oyefeso. Today we'll be laying emphasis on a too common commodity called cotton. Okay, the cotton is a product that is highly demanded. Now you notice that most of the clothes we wear is made from cotton, and it will also be funny to know that the seed that actually produce what you wear is actually from the ground. That's amazing. Now the thing is that it's from the world, and because it has a lot of uses. Cotton is the most important natural fabrics of the 20th century. Okay, the efforts of the federal government is trying a lot of things to revitalize the sector, and some time ago, government give about 30 million naira, to the association, that is the Natural Cotton Association of Nigerian, to be able to boost the sector. Then it's also funny to know that that one of the richest man in the world, Dangote Group, also assure all cotton farmers that the company will also assist them. So there's a lot of things if you're into this sector. The first thing is this: how and where do you harvest this particular product? Harvesting period for cotton actually starts from September to March. So as I'm talking to you right now, this is a month of April. It has passed during the period of harvest. Now, where is the source? Where can you get this particular commodity? When it comes in terms of exporting the commodities. Which state in Nigeria you have a lot of cotton? Includes places like Oyo State, Niger, Katsina, Kaduna, all these places, Ondo, Kwara, Akwa Ibom, Jigawa, and Kebbi, and Kano. All these places you can actually get this particular crop, these particular items in large quantity, and you can actually export. The foreign buyers, which country actually buy this commodity? Because like I usually tell you, you need to know the country that needs a particular product because you set your mind on it. So which countries normally can buy cotton from Nigeria? They include Turkey. I've been in Turkey, and I can tell you that's quite a very good place that they manufacture a lot of clothing and clothing material. Definitely, and what they use as raw material is basically this commodity called cotton. Vietnam, I've also been to Vietnam, I've been, to China, it's also a country, Bangladesh, Indonesia, Pakistan, India, Taiwan, China, Mexico, South Korea, and in Africa, countries such as Egypt also can buy the commodity from you. Now, there's international standard requirement, when you want to export, this particular commodity called cotton. Now, there should be a test that we carried out on the product itself. The protein should be 20% maximum, very important. The fresh fatty acid should be 5% maximum, The moisture should not be less than 12%. The ash should be 5%, and, the oil content should be 18%. The add mixture and the impurity should be 0.25 or 0.15. Very, very important. So these things are very important when you are to because the buyer will ask you what is the specification required before he places money on such things. The cotton should also not be adulterated. It should be standard grade. It should be well graded. It should be well weighed, marked, and also sealed, so that you can actually do it. Now, the good thing is that the international price varies. It ranges between 1,600 euro, dollar, to about 2,000, depending on your bargaining power. You see, that's a lot of money. And like I keep on telling you, if you are to export from Nigeria and you made $2,000, you're already a millionaire. Nothing is taking you backward. So you need to actually do something about this sector. Normally, the international is usually done on CIF, that's cost insurance rate. So there's no problem when you export this particular. So the cotton line export business is actually very lucrative. On the last note, it's actually a lucrative business for anyone who chooses to venture into the export of agricultural commodities. It's a good one. It's less risky. I can bet you're going to make your money. I want to believe that you will make your game. But remember, we have a lot of videos in our export television. So please go straight now and subscribe to our go and subscribe. Press the notification button on the screen. Then you'll be having our new videos. Then another thing you can do for this generation, information is power. Share this video to your friends, to your colleagues in the office, 50, 100 people. Just tell them to keep on watching it. I want to tell you that one day they're going to thank you for it. It's a pleasure being around with you again today. Till we meet next time, I remain yours, Evangelist Godwin Abiodun Yefeso. You will succeed. Bye.